What is the best method to fix a broken vertical blind clip?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our DIY home repairs guide. Today, we're going to learn how to fix a broken vertical blind clip. It's an easy fix that doesn't require a ton of special tools or a visit from a professional. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to fix your blind clips like a pro.
What will you need?
First things first, let's gather all the necessary tools and materials. Here's what you'll need. 1. Replacement blind clips. Ensure you get the same type and size as your broken clip for a seamless fit. 2. Flathead screwdriver. To remove the broken clip and install the new one. 3. Safety glasses. To protect your eyes during the process. Remember, safety comes first. Always make sure you're handling the tools properly and wearing the appropriate safety gear.
How to remove the broken blind clip.
After gathering your materials, we're ready to get started. 1. Start by removing the blind slat. Carefully twist the slat to an open position, then gently pull downward. It should easily slide out of the clip. 2. Remove the broken clip. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the broken clip away from the blind's headrail. Be gentle to avoid damaging the rail. Note, if the clip is broken into pieces, make sure you remove all parts of it. You don't want any leftover pieces interfering with your new clip.
How to install the new blind clip.
After you've successfully removed the broken clip, it's time to install the new one. 1. Insert the new clip. Line up the new clip with the headrail slot where the old clip was located. Make sure it's in the correct orientation. 2. Snap it into place. Apply gentle pressure until you hear a snap or click. This indicates that the clip is securely fastened to the headrail. 3. Reattach the blind slat. Slide the slat back into the new clip and rotate it to ensure it's operating smoothly. Congratulations! You've just successfully replaced a broken vertical blind clip. And there you have it, a straightforward DIY solution to fix a broken vertical blind clip. With a little patience and the right tools, you can save money and repair your blinds on your own. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we wish you the best of luck with your home repair projects. Stay tuned for more practical DIY guides.